In the time it takes me to make this salad, I'm going to tell you how an insulin pump works and why it's important for people with type 1 or type 2 diabetes. That is, if you'll let us. If you're living with diabetes, an insulin pump is a device that can make your life easier. Long ago, our ancestors needed jagged rocks to cut their carrots. But technology has evolved. It's the same with diabetes management. There are older, more outdated ways to manage diabetes that still work, but insulin pumps just make things easier. But to understand why, I need to toss out a couple of things about insulin. Let me just drop a beat. The food you put into your body, whether it's a Caesar salad, a Cobb salad, or a chicken salad, gets converted into energy with the help of insulin. That's not the case for someone who has type 1 diabetes. They remain insulin dependent and require daily insulin therapy. People living with type 2 diabetes have built up an insulin resistance over the years, and their insulin needs can vary a lot over time. An insulin pump accounts for those needs. Rather than injecting insulin daily with syringes or pens, someone can use a pump that delivers insulin directly into their body. Like any sophisticated tool, insulin pumps come in a variety of options. Some are sleek and high-tech with color touchscreens and advanced features. Some include an algorithm, which is like a secret family recipe that can predict glucose levels and automatically adjust insulin dosing with the use of a continuous glucose monitoring system, also called a CGM. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This is called an advanced hybrid closed-loop system, which some refer to as an artificial pancreas, because it aims to replicate how a pancreas would react to rising and falling blood sugar levels. That's going way beyond the call of duty. From there, the insulin enters the bloodstream and starts breaking down food into energy. Many of today's insulin pumps are packed with innovative tech. Some even let you use an app on your smartphone to deliver insulin, so you don't need to pull out your pump. The advances have truly been unbelievable.